Good evening everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video we're going to be installing inch 7/8 headers on the SS. The previous setup I had was X-Force, and I have a Empire catback, so about time I upgraded. Let's go put it in. Alright, just pulled the old headers out of the car. This is them, X-Force. You can see inside here it's got a collector. Alright, finally got the headers in. They look amazing. Driver's side was very tricky to put in, but we got it. But yeah, one thing that I noticed when I was putting the leads in is how close that is, which isn't good. I'm going to try and see if I can adjust it somehow.